Monday, the 13th of October, 2014, Jens Jakob Hansen, a cameraman at Kringvarp which is the national television of the Faroe Islands, and his journalist colleague Høgni Moore shot and cut the piece you are about to see. It is a tiny, poetic documentary about a ewe and her lamb that tumble into eternity close to the village of Saksun, Faroe Islands. Ladies and gentlemen, this is not staged. This is not a lie nor legend. This is pure certainty. Sit back, feel the fair and fine breath of death.